The first step in my process is understanding where we are today. Looking at financial statements, the best information that we have. If you don't have financials, let's look at some information that is available that we know we can rely on. And then projecting a North Star. What's our North Star goal, whether it's 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, depending on the maturity of the company. For a seed stage company, you're probably only looking for 1 year. For Series A, you're looking 1 to 3. B, you're looking, further in the future. But define your North Star, whether it's number of customers that you're going to acquire by the end of the period, whether it's recurring revenue you're going to be earning by the end of the year. Define what that North Star is. And then what we do is we bridge between where we're at and where we are. What do we need to do to get from where we are to where we're going to be? What inputs do we need? Do we need a new CTO? Do we need new developers? Do we need a sales and marketing team? Do we need to invest in paid media? Defining what those inputs are, how much we need to spend, and then what the corresponding results will be in terms of our growth trajectory to get to that North Star.